Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you about a website creating platform called Wix.com. Now, Wix, what you can do is you can go in and you can create your own website similar to Weebly, Google Sites, things like that. Just very, very creative um, web-based platform for your teaching. If you're teaching hybrid, if you're teaching strictly virtual, or if you are teaching in the classroom, you could, use this as a go-to for everything. Now, at our school, our go-to for everything is Schoology. You maybe use Google Classroom. You could use some of those other platforms, but if you don't have access to that, then this would be a good place to use it. Now, I used something similar to this when COVID-19 hit back in March of this year, about 7, 8 months ago. And anyway, the bet and I happen to use Weebly on that, but Wix is a good alternative as well. My kids could get on there. I could send the link to their parents every morning. Boom, they could jump on the website. They had different pages like this up here. So we're going to jump in and kind of show what Wix can do for you in your classroom. And as always, any of these tools that I show you, if it is conducive to your teaching style and it goes into your method of teaching and your beliefs as a teacher and it's something that you can use, by all means use it. If it's not, guess what? It's not for you. But I wanted to show this as an alternative or an option for you to get content out to your students. So you can see just Wix. It's free website, freedom to create websites, and it is free. So we're going to go in. We're going to jump in and get started. Since I'm doing this as a demo, I'm not going to go in and put my school address or anything like that. I have a Google account. If you have a Google account and you want to run it through that, you can click here. If not, you can sign up and you can put in your school email, type it again, put in your password, try again. Boom, you're signed up. You're in and you don't have to fool with anything. So I'm going to log in with Google, and I'm going to go ahead and knock that out, since that's just the easiest way for me when I'm doing these demos to do it. But it's the exact same thing here. So let's go ahead and click on the account. It'll ask me to put in my password, and I will show you what it looks like when we get in here as it's working here. All right, now that I'm into Wix and it's gone and it's gotten in, I'm gonna go ahead and click Get Started. Answer some questions to best create my tools. You can also skip this if you choose to. I like to go ahead and get started because I want templates for me and what I need. So that's the way I go in. Hey, what is this for? Is it for a company? Is it for a startup? Is it for someone else? Are you helping them? I'm getting paid by a client for this. This is a site for a company I work for, and this is strictly for myself. So this is for myself in my classroom. So I'm going to click on that. Maybe I want to get the word out on something, because you can link everything to Twitter and other things like that. So click on that. It'll work. Have you created a website before? And I have created a few just on different sites, kind of getting my introductory level and what I need to do here. Sorry, it's running so slow. All right, what kind of website do you need? And then I can enter my business in. I just need it for education, educational blog, forum, movement, video channel. You can do it, but see, mine's definitely going to be for students. Now I can do education for anything. Really, mine is not going to be a store. It would be more of like a class site. Now I'm an early education teacher, but I'm trying to look for what's best for me. So I'm going to go in and I'm just going to put in a physical education class site, just for actually, let's do a early childhood education center. I'm gonna click next. I can even go into website and I can change it up. Even though I'm not a phys ed teacher, I could go in and manipulate it to where I take out the phys ed stuff and put in what I need. Is it a new business? I'm still exploring. And once I get through all the steps, then it brings me to this stage. I can start creating from scratch, or I can start and choose from a template. So I hope that helps you log in and go through the steps of getting started with your Wix account. Thanks.